Add 7 meters 15 centimeters and 3 meters 90 centimeters. We will add by converting all the units to the smaller unit. Here. Centimeters. You can take help from the table here. One meter equals 100 or 100 centimeters. 7 meters is equal to 700 centimeters. 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters. Let's solve. 7 meters 15 centimeters plus 3 meters 90 centimeters. This converts to 715 centimeters plus 390 centimeters equals 1105 centimeters. Let's convert it back to the format of the question. Meters and centimeters. We have 11 meters and 5 centimeters. The answer is 11 meters, 5 centimeters. Add 2 meters 25 centimeters and 4 meters 80 centimeters. Again, we will convert all units into the smaller unit. Here the smaller unit is centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 2 meters equals 200 centimeters. 4 meters equals 400 centimeters. 2 meters 25 centimeters becomes 225 centimeters and 4 meters 85 centimeters becomes 485 centimeters. Adding the two, we get 710 centimeters. Converting it back into meter and centimeters, we get 700 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. Or 7 meters 10 centimeters. The answer is 7 meters, 10 centimeters.